You're short, so you can't reach the light chain.
Oh, screw you.
I know.
Hello, everyone. So, we're still at Gabe's house with Brian, and here is a turn of the century Photon. Or Photon, or whatever. The bearings are freaking stiff as crap, I just freaking noticed.
Yeah.
Here's the thing, it's missing a freaking bulb in it.
Decorative globe ring.
Here's low.
Yeah, I bought this fan a few years ago. I hung it up when this was my room.
The odor of it smells. It smells like poop.
I know.
Because it's a turd of
And
the century.
here's my Aero Speed.
Aero Speed. What?
Out in the hallways of Lasco.
What are you doing?
Alaxco.
A galaxy by Lasco.
Yeah, and
This is freaking slow as crap.
I know.
Here's high.
Just like you.
No, you're freaking high. Screw you.
I know you would too.
It's freaking
man.
wobbly as crap.
Yeah.
But let's do spin down and then reverse.
Yeah.
Why does the pull chain freaking squeak?
I don't freaking know, man.
It squeaks when you
Because
pull
this fan's the crappiest quality in our house.
it. It squeaks when you pull it. That's
This fan is worse quality than the Walmart in the kitchen.
this
And
thing,
it's ugly too.
It's freaking ugly.
Eh,
It's a chain. It squeaks when you pull it. That's what she said.
I kind of liked it. I kind of liked it at the time. This is a childhood fan of mine.
But it's a turd of
Yeah.
the century, and it smells.
I'm a disgrace.
It smells, Gabe. It smells.
I know.
It smells.
smells like my butt, Daddy. I'm sorry. Welcome to Baldi's Basics in
Bro, I don't
Education.
care.
Environment.
Breaking news. I'll just do. Why does it squeak when you
I
pull it?
don't know. And
That's
here's
what
a
she said.
polar wind desk fan
It's
right
polar
here.
wind thing that doesn't have any buttons. Yay, but it still turns on. Because why the freak not?
Yep. Like a Dyson bladeless fan, which ruins the whole purpose of a fan.
I know. A fan is supposed to have blades.
It's in the definition. Dude, I literally searched it up and that's in the definition. It has to have blades.
Well, there is a blade inside of it that, like, it makes air. It looks bladeless.
Oh,
but
you're
it's
talking
fr-
about those flush mount things that spin.
No, like the Dyson circular
the
thingies.
freaking blade.
Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about, and I hate those.
They ruined the whole purpose of
I
a
know.
fan.
They're cool, but they're not. They basically ruined the purpose.
Now, Connor, you're gonna leave it like you found it.
There. Okay. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. Bye.